Tor browser. It is free and open source browser. Browser open. Google search box lo Tor download. Enter. Enter key press. torproject.org download. First link. Click. Tor official redirectory web page. Complete display. Mouse scroll down. Download for Tor browser. Protect yourself against tracking, surveillance and censorship. Tor's browser supporting OS, Windows, macOS, Linux, Android. Present Windows setup. First one, download for Windows button click. Download section lo Tor latest version 14.5.8.exe. Setup file downloading process start. File size 107 MB. Wait and hear downloading process completing. Process completed. Next installation setup process. Browser close. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo Tor exe setup file display. Select mouse double click. Folder minimize. Installer language. Please select a language. Default English. Select your convenient language or country-wide language. Right side down arrow click. Number of languages. Set your convenient language. Default English set. First button. OK click. Choose installation location. Destination folder. Installation path display. Local disk C. Users folder. Username PC folder. Desktop Tor browser newly created folder. In case change the other drive or folder, browse button click. Documents folder select. OK button click. Space required 306.4 MB. First button install click. Installing. Please wait while Tor browser is being installed. DLL file executable files installation process start 0 to 100%. Installation completing. Wait and hear few seconds. Completing Tor browser setup. Default 2 options tick mark set. Finish button click. Desktop shortcut Tor browser. Tor browser interface. Window maximize. Second button connect click. Right side top close icon click. Unblock the internet in automatic. In case change the another one countries. Right side down arrow click. Set your another one. Scroll down number of countries. Default automatic. Try a bridge button click. Tor search box display in middle section. Tor related search engine. DuckDuckGo. Right side onionized. Button on edge. Mouse left click. Security level standard icon click. Settings blue color button click. Default standard. Right side change button click. Third option safest select. Save and restart. First button click. Reopen interface maximize. Mouse scroll down. Block dangerous and descriptive content. Left side box tick mark set. And first option black dangerous downloads. Left side box tick mark set. Clear history button click. Last hour everything set. Clear first button click. Next extensions and themes select. Search ad blocker. YouTube purpose YouTube ad blocker click. Connect automatically on. Second extension disable JavaScript. Address bar YouTube. Enter key press.